Hi everyone, this week's video I'm going to be unboxing some jeans from Farfetch. These are designer jeans and I am wondering, are they worth the extra splurge? We all love jeans. Jeans are an absolute staple in everybody's wardrobe. So without further ado, let's have a look at these jeans. So first off, I have a pair of Calvin Klein jeans here. These are super skinny ankle mid-rise, slim through hip, thighs and super skinny leg. So let's see what we think of these. Overall, the waist looks good. I think they're fine. They're a little bit cropped as well, and interestingly they have this slit here at the bottom. Quite modern for 2021, I like that. And the colour is quite bright as well. It has this fading down the legs and on the back as well, it's faded. I don't know about that back, it's a bit much maybe. We'll see what they look like on, but they are actually super soft. I'm loving the feel of those first pair of jeans, so let's try them on and see what they're like. Okay everyone, this is the Calvin Klein jean on. Lovely fit. It fits me in the waist, no problem. That's the waist. I really like the colour. I just need to see everything before I make a decision on what I like. Do tell me what you think in the comments as well, because I love hearing what your thoughts are. So what do you think of this? The length is actually perfect for me, which is quite unusual for me to find in jeans. I usually struggle with the length of jeans, but I am happy with these. Very summery, very nice for the summer, and they are super soft as well. So the first one is a thumbs up from me. This next pair is the Michael Kors denim jeans. I like the look of these now. They are high rise, slim through the hip and thigh, skinny leg opening by Michael Kors. So they've nice branding on the back, again with the lighter cheek area here, and they're a nice denim colour as well. They actually look like good length. Oh no, they are too long actually. Never mind. Yeah, they're nice jeans. They're just nice and plain and classic looking, more so than the other kind of trendy jeans. But obviously it's all about the fit for this video, so let's have a look at what they look like on. This is the Michael Kors jean. Very relaxed fit. I actually like these a little bit better, I must say. They are a lovely colour, quite classical, not too much going on, so they could be added to a lot of different looks for daytime and evening, which is what we want, to get use out of the clothing that we buy. The length, I've had to roll them up at the ankle because they are unfortunately too long for me, but I can get them properly tailored, so I don't mind that. But they're a little bit looser here and around the thighs as well. They're not as skinny. So what do we think of these ones? And the Michael Kors jeans were one of the cheaper jeans that I bought in this video as well. I think they were around 125, so not too pricey, actually quite reasonable for jeans. Okay, these are by J brand. They are a ruby high-rise cigarette jean. Looking at them here, they're obviously going to be too long for me again, but I don't mind that. If the fit is good, I will get them tailored, so that's not a problem. They look nice. They look quite stretchy as well, which is good. The waist looks like it is going to fit, and I do like this colour of denim as well. So I did get a few bright pairs and a few dark pairs, so I like that. Just normal length there, and the back just looks like that. I've seen a lot of people recommend this brand, the J brand jeans, for comfort. I don't really go for the brand necessarily. I just want to see what looks the best on my body. So yeah, we'll see what these look like on and go from there. So these are the J brand jeans. One of the ones I was most excited about, but they're actually not 100% on me. Nothing against the brand, but just they're not the right fit for me at the moment. I love the colour of them. The waist here is just not fitting me properly at all. So there's just way too much space there. So I would have to size down in these. I would have to exchange them, and the length here is not right for me either, but that I would have expected in jeans anyway. I love the colour of them. They're actually quite classical. I can see myself wearing these jeans with boots and with sandals in the summertime as well. So they are a nice jean, and they are quite comfortable as well, the fit, even though the waist is just a little bit too big for me in the waist. I think if I did size down in these, I would actually be very happy with them. So yeah, I like this brand, and I will be repurchasing from them again because I think these jeans are good quality. The next jean is by the brand Golden Goose. They're a lovely blue colour. I'll hold them up there. They're actually quite cropped, this jean, so I don't really know. I thought that they would be like normal length on me because I'm quite short, but they don't look like they're gonna work really. I'll show you the end. It's quite frayed at the end there as well. I think that's a nice detail. I love the colour of them. These are actually more quite stiff. The button details here is nice on them as well. They have the button details to open them up. And overall the shape is quite different. This is not a skinny jean. This is more of a boyfriend fit jean. So we'll see what they look like. Here the more boyfriend fit around the waist. Unfortunately guys, this jean is not happening. I cannot get the buttons up. I don't know what is the issue. The just shape is just quite different in general. I've obviously bought my normal size, and the waist doesn't look that different than the other jeans that I've tried on, so I just don't know what it is. I think it's the hip area here doesn't really have much stretch in it. So unfortunately I can't try these jeans on because they don't fit me. So I will insert a picture so you can see them on the model in case you're interested in this colour of jean. I'll show you the back as well. I don't know if I showed you previously. That's the back. Hey everyone, I forgot to actually end this video. Do let me know what you think of all of the jeans in the comment box. Tell me which one is your favourite. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.